guys, this is Carlos Gutierrez. Today we are in Granada, Nicaragua, looking at a new listing that is going to be very soon in all the social media. This is a beautiful 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, swimming pool. Oh yes, you will say, what? Definitely, guys. You know what? When you come to Granada, you want to have a beautiful home with different touches. And this is definitely one of those houses that I was asking before to look at, because I know the owner did a great job with the decoration, keeping the feeling of the taste, of the colonial taste. And because I like the way the house is elevated from the road, that also provide an extra sense of privacy. As you can see, the stairs going up, doors like French doors, and then the first things you're gonna catch is the living area. The living area is now used as a dining area with this beautiful main table with a homemade, I mean, you can tell it's a custom-made timber wood. You hear that? Well, guys, that's very typical in Nicaragua. You're gonna see people passing by their streets. We are very close to the Church of San Francisco. So anyway, guys, coming back to this place, you can see how they really are using in a very smart way the first living space, which is where you can have your good time with family and friends, having a great, party with this center timber wood, custom-made table is very nice. The high ceiling, how is nice, and how it's so cool and fresh. And definitely, guys, just enough furnishing to keep this place open and feel like grand. Now, going through these doors, we're gonna catch something else. Let me see the rest of the house. Coming from the main living area, which is very classic, in this case you can tell they use the living area as a dining space, which is very clever, maximizing all the space into the house. Now we have here the half bathroom, which is very convenient. In a colonial homes, typically they're not coming with half bathrooms or too many bathrooms. So that's why it's so important that when you are looking at a house in Granada and you say, Carlos, I want to have a place for renting, or I want to have a house for myself, it's important to check if the house comes with a half bathroom for your guests. This is actually a good plus for this one, because the half bathrooms right here keep privacy, door, boom, and then remember we're coming from the main living area, and now we have another extra salita or little living area you have the set of the TV and other furnishing, things like the sofa set, which is very cool. And then again, you're gonna feel it that you are in a colonial home because the roof. That is definitely very characteristic item or feature in these beautiful homes. Now, another thing that I like about this place is how they also are using this door here that will take you to a laundry area. It's also a storage room. Excellent. Actually, guys, this place has everything you need for a good rental or retiree home. The property is so close to the center that you can easily walk from here to La Plaza and San Francisco Church. So now let's go and see the kitchen, because I like the way always how they create a different concept with the kitchen. Everything here, you can feel it is like the old school style, yes, but with these nice touches with this connecting the living area, the kitchen, and the outdoor space where we have the swimming pool. You're gonna see a beautiful floor with this pattern, with this blue color, light blue and white. And then I love the way they situated the swimming pool. It's the end of the property, and the thing is, it's an outdoor swimming pool, so you're catching all the time the breeze, so it feels very cool. Outside here we have this shower, and also sharing this space with this open garden, which is not really a garden, is definitely a section where you could have a hammock and relax and then jump into the pool. Definitely they did a great job with this color to accent the difference between the kitchen and the outdoor swimming pool. And right here we have one of the 2 bedrooms that is fully equipped. Let's go and see it. Okay, look at this. We are at the first floor, where actually the house has kind of 3 levels when you walk in from the stairs. And then the room itself presents very nicely. I like the size of it, and having these 2 windows, definitely looking the outdoor swimming pool and the open garden, that's a really cool concept. Then the air conditioning to keep this place always fresh. And then one of the bathrooms here at the below level, it's quite good size. And also I like how they use the concrete to close the shower, and then the countertop with the cement and the nice mirror. I like how they set the floor of the shower with this black and white pattern, and everything's feel very classic with the wood and the concrete. Definitely guys, when you have a homes in Granada and you're looking something to rent, houses close to the center are always the most desirable homes, because the location and location and location is what defines the best rental. And of course, the investment is always oriented into the houses that can be a nice flipping or a good rental unit. So definitely going back to the room, I can feel it very roomy, cool, and at the same time comfortable. And the fact that it's so close to the kitchen and the swimming pool, probably this is gonna be one of the rooms the most wanted for when people are renting, or maybe you decide to buy this one and say, that's where I can have my master suite. But at the second level, we have the other room that has something special to see. Let's go and check it out. Okay, look at this. This is the main suite. We are now at the second level. Again, I like the way they set up the rooms. Every room definitely feel comfortable. And this one in particular has something else. You have more storage for your clothing, like these closets. And then you have the typical frame for the mattress. An extra table right here, so I can imagine, you know, relaxing, reading the book. And this window is gonna let you see the outdoor. Of course, we have these nice bathrooms, different style. Now they are keeping the concept of the countertop with cement, the high ceiling again, air conditioning of course, and everything is organized and decorated in the way that you can definitely say, I'm in a home that feels colonial in Granada. Anyway, so an extra space right here, look at this. If we open this door, with these nice details, look at these details, beautiful glasses and wood. Again, this is the master suite. So let's see what we have here. Thank you guys for watching this video today. We have a special property, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, swimming pool. Yes, this house is going to be very soon in all the social media. You can find us on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. Thank you, Betty, who's behind the camera. Thank you for watching this video. If you say, Carlos, I would like to buy a house in Nicaragua, especially in Granada, close to the center. Here you are, my telephone number and my email. And you say, Carlos, please give me more information. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and help us to continue bringing to you more and more properties like this one. So don't forget, I want to see you in the next adventure.